Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'd like to welcome you. My name is Yvette Quale. I like to create craft tutorials for beadwork, junk journaling, paper crafting, and more. And I also like to do junk journal flip throughs, shop shares, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So I'm glad you could join me in my craft room today. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you like my content, hit that like button so I know you like the video. And let's get into what we're doing today. So in this journal, this is my Van Gogh journal. This is the second video in a series I'm doing on a Van Gogh inspired journal. So in the first video, I did detail the cover on this that I was going to use, and I put together the signatures. I'll go ahead and link that video in the description box. But today, what I've done is sewn those signatures into the journal, decorated the outside just a little bit. And then over here, I have some kits, not kits, ephemera, and part of it is from a couple kits that I'm using. I'll link those in the description box as well, and those kits are detailed in the first video. So we just have a whole bunch of basically blue, yellow, and green items to put in there. And I'm kind of going with a nature theme with the Van Gogh on this. I like to combine a couple different things in my journals. If you've watched my channel at all, you'll know that I'm often mixing up boho with vintage, or bright colors with dull colors, or coffee dyed paper. I like to kind of mix it up a little bit. So you'll see some coffee dyed paper in here. You'll see some bright colors, some muted colors. But the main thing is, normally I pick about 3 colors that are my main colors, and I try to go off of those. So obviously blue, yellow, and green are complementary colors, so it's going to look great. I think someone else knew that too, right? Mr. Van Gogh had an idea of how color works. So we're going to take just some of these images. I got these from Ephemera Treasure Trove. She put together a special kit for me with all of these things in here. So just kind of pulling from that, and then again some sunflowers and just yellow themed kits. And I again will put those links in the description box and link that first video so you can go back and check that out. So let's go ahead and look at how this has come together so far. So I have a little bit of trim here that I've put on there, running down the spine here. This is from my friend Deborah, and I will try to link her Facebook page if I can remember that. So please forgive me if I don't, Deborah. Maybe you can put the link in the description box if you see the video and I haven't done that. So just some trim here that I got from her. Again, I just did some slow stitching on the cover and pieced together some quilt blocks that I had and didn't really know what else to do with. So they're overlaid and kind of just on there nilly-willy as I felt like doing. So let's go ahead and look inside. I have decorated a little bit. This is some ephemera pieces that I got in Happy Mail, and I went ahead and put those in there. Those are from Joy Crowley, and they went along with my theme and kind of brought in that botanical. So I thought they went really well in this journal. So I'll be using some of her pieces in here, and then I've just done some of my own. I drew some little flowers on there and stuff, so kind of made it my own. And then this is part of the kit. I've got a belly band going here that I'm going to start decorating. So I've just started to decorate. I tried to do a video when I was sewing the signatures in, and for some reason I wasn't recording, and so by the time that was done, I wasn't about to tear it all apart and start over. But anyway, I do have another video in my cover to cover series where I show how I sew the signatures in. So that's basically how I did this one. And those signatures are hidden under the trim here. But anyway, I did round all the corners in the journal, and I like that look. Kind of gives it a little bit of a softer feel. And so we'll just quickly go through here. Again, I did show all of these pages and my little bit of my thought process. I do like to take sometimes here, I'll make this into a little side pocket. So I just folded the paper so there was just a little bit of reveal there, and that becomes kind of like an envelope. And then going through here, we've just got a whole bunch of pages. And these coffee dyed are from Sarita Sales. I'll put a link to her YouTube channel in here as well. So yeah, just a whole bunch of fun stuff, including a little bit of corner punches there. As you can tell, I haven't really cleaned it up. I just popped on here once I got the signature sewn in and was like, oh no, I didn't have the video going. So anyway, you guys know how I am. This is how it is in my craft room. So I hope you guys enjoy what has happened so far. In the back here I have a little denim pocket that I've kind of zhuzhed up a little bit, and I've got a couple images in there. Again, this is from Joy. I put a little bit of extra stuff on there, and that's just a little booklet that pops in there. We've got a journal card there, and then we have the back. So I'll try to do a video kind of maybe creating some of the ephemera. I think that might be fun to kind of share the process of that. Although the way my mind works, I don't know. Might be a no talking video, just a craft with me, and like nobody's with me. But anyway, I'll think about that. I don't know if I can pull that off and not look totally like I don't know what I'm doing, but we'll see. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was pretty quick here, but everybody's out of the house today, so I was able to get this done. So thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you will continue to follow me along on this journey as I create the journal, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for joining me.